This video describes how to calculate the equivalent resistance of parallel resistors quickly, in some cases even without a calculator. Suppose 24 ohm and 8 ohm resistors are in parallel. This method allows us to find that their equivalent resistance is equal to 24 ohms divided by 4, or 6 ohms, without having to use the reciprocal formula like this one, or this product over sum formula. To understand this, let's first consider a simpler example where we have two 24 ohm resistors. In this case, because there are two identical paths, the equivalent resistance is just half of 24 ohms, which is equal to 12 ohms. We can extend this to any number of identical resistors. For instance, suppose we have three 24 ohm resistors. Because there are three identical paths, the equivalent resistance is 24 divided by 3, or 8 ohms. Let's come back to the original example with a 24 ohm and 8 ohm resistors. This time, the two resistors do not provide identical paths. However, we just saw that one 8 ohm resistor is equivalent to three 24 ohm resistors in parallel. So combined, this is equivalent to four 24 ohm resistors in parallel, which is why their equivalent resistance can be found by dividing 24 ohms by 4, which is equal to 6 ohms. Here's a quick summary of the approach. If two resistors, R1 and R2, are in parallel, and R1 is N times R2, then the equivalent resistance is R1 divided by N plus 1.